Hello friends and respected teacher, I Dr. NG Telkapallivar once again welcome you in this particular workshop, that is how to create HTML based quiz for e-content and publish as open education resources. Today we are creating the HTML based quiz by using the Hot Potato software. This is the version 7 and there are different types of platform. Digital platform is available for the different activities like JQuiz, JClose, JCross, JMatch and JMix. So there are total 5 digital platform is available on the Hot Potato software. So today we are going to discuss about the how to create the quiz HTML quiz by using this platform that is called as a JQuiz in Hot Potatoes. After creating the quiz, we see how it look like. Then in this second video, we are discuss about the how to download the Hot Potato software. After that, HTML JQuiz means this platform using Hot Potato software. Then there are different platform digital platform, that is the JMatch, JClose, JCross, and JMix. So this JQuiz is for the there are 4 different version is available in JQuiz. You can create the quiz that is a multiple choice question. Then by using the hybrid questions, then short answer type question and true false like question. J match is the matching the pair. Uh, if you want to match the pairs, then this platform is useful. Then another is the J close. J close means you can fill the gaps in the different sentences. J cross is like a puzzle. It useful to create a puzzle. And another is the J mix, means it is the sentence at which you can mix the different sentences or words. So we are now going to the platform of the Hot Potatoes. Now open the Google browse and just type the Hot Potatoes. So this is the Hot Potatoes version 7. Just enter it. Now this page is open. First click on it and this type of home page is appear, Hot Potatoes version 7. Just scroll down and in download section click on the Hot Potatoes 7.0 installer. You can also download the older version of 6.305, but I am using this version, that is the Hot Potatoes 7.0 installer. So just click on it and as you know how to download. So this is the setup at which the process is start, and after completing the process and following the instruction, install this software and it is shown in the desktop form. So desktop, so this is the uh, desktop symbol shown in the laptop, Hot Potatoes version 7. So this is the Hot Potato software. Now I am already downloaded and that's why I am not explaining the process of the downloading, but you aware of that. Just click on the setup instruction, go in the next, then follow the that is the accept the condition and install it, and desktop version is obtained. So this is the version. Now just click on this type of version is obtained here, that is JClose, JQuiz, JCross, JMatch, JMix. And because we are today discussing about the JQuiz, so just click on this icon JQuiz. Then there are different color is also showing here. JQuiz like yellowish color, then this is different color, bluish color, green color, then red color. So these are the different colors showing in this version. So we just click on this JQuiz. Now this is the basic platform. Now what is the purpose of this quiz? When you create the quiz, it is it shows in the form of the HTML base. So there is a symbols where here is the file version. You can save as, create web page. Then another is the edit, copy and paste, spell check, insert. If you want to insert the picture, link or HTML table, so these are the content can be used. Then manage questions, options, help. Here there is an option for the publication also. It is given, that is the save. This is important. Kindly note down. This is the save. Whenever you create the quiz, you have to save this in your desktop. Then another is the publication. Suppose you want to publish in the form of HTML, then there is a need of this symbol. Just click it, and after creating the quiz, your data is published and downloaded or saved in the desktop. And whenever you want to publish it in open educational resources, you publish it by just uploading this web HTML page. So let's start with the how to create the HTML quiz on Hot Potatoes software, that is the JMix software. So I am just showing here, this is the title. Write down the title of the quiz. These are the question 1. Then just click here. This is question 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can create the 50 to 100 questions or questions in this platform. So this is the question 1. Then give the answers of that question A, B, C, D. If you want to more A, B, C, D, E, just click here. So D, E, F, etc. is obtained. Then you can give the feedback for the feedback means it gives the hint. Suppose the question click the answer and it is wrong, then the student can know the feedback or hint of that particular questions. And again, there is a different version is available here, that is called as a multiple choice question. Another is the short answer type, hybrid, and multi select. You can use true false type of question also for preparation of the quiz by using this multiple choice also. You just only give the two options, true and false. And for correct answer, just click here, and in this way your question is prepared. So I am just creating the title of the quiz. So just writing, that is practice quiz on HTML platform. I am writing this as a practice quiz on HTML form. You can write the your subject topic whichever you want to create. Then question 1, I am writing here, who is the president of United States of America? Then here there is I am selecting multiple choice questions, and here there are answers. Suppose I am writing it is a Hillary Clinton, George Bush. This is the practice quiz, George Bush. Then another is suppose Donald Trump. And J. Arnaldo. The correct answer is Donald Trump. So click here, correct answer here. And here multiple choice. I am selected multiple choice. You can give the feedback also. So just feedback is the you can write any feedback, but I am now writing here. Like suppose you select the question like the name, give the name of the fruits here 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the color? So you can give the hint that it is a suppose I will try the next question in which we can show the feedback. This is the multiple choice, and just this is the created question number 1. Then click here. This is question 2. Now, which fruit the king of animals is? Just lion, elephant, rat, and write the another name here. The correct answer is suppose lion. So in this way you can select it. The lion, you can give the a hint here. It is a king of. You can write any hint. It is a king of all animals. So this is the correct answer. You can write down the give the hint. This is the second type of question. Then click here. This is question 3. Suppose I select the another so that you can know that short answer. I'm writing here who is the president of India? So I am selected here short answer. So answer is Ramnath Kovind. So this is the correct answer. So I'm just writing one question because it is short answer. Student have to write the question. You just give the feedback also. I'm writing the same word. Name of, give name of Indian president. Then next is, suppose I'm creating, this is the fourth question. Now I'm selecting another short hybrid type question. The capital of India. Sorry, write down here the first question. Which New Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai. I'm writing another name. No. Correct answer is New Delhi. Now next, again I'm selecting here. I already choose multiple choice, short answer, hybrid, then multi-select. So write down another question. Which of the following? I am writing here. Which of the following are the states of India? So this is the should be selected. It is a correct answer. This is a correct, and this is the correct. So in this way, I am using here all this type of questions. You can also write down the another question. True false. For true false, you have to select multiple choice. The capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai. We just give here true and false option. For true and false, you use the this choice, that is the multiple choice, and give the only two options A and B. And this is the correct answer, and just click here. So in this way, you can create the different types of questions. Here, just scroll up down, and you get the questions. So this is the, I'm just using the sample quiz. So in this way, 6 questions I have prepared. So after that, you have to save this quiz. So there is a save option here, or you can just go here, file, and save as. Just click on save as. So I am just saving here. After this shows the desktop version. In desktop version, suppose I am click on HTML file as hot potatoes. Just give the quiz HTML quiz 1. Okay. Okay, in this way you can go create the quiz and save in the folder. So this is the option for the save. So once you click here, the folder is saved in the particular uh, folder where you want to save. So this is the quiz one. So this is the folder where you can save the quiz. Now once you have saved, so this is the folder it's shown in the desktop. This already you have saved it. Now suppose you want to add more question later, so you can go in the edit button, then you can select the question also. So just simply you just go and edit the question. Suppose you want to add more question, just click on here, scroll down, then already we 6, then 7. So this is the 7 question. Suppose I am writing here the orange the color of fruit, the color of orange fruit is. So you can give the here, you can add the image also here, just insert, take the picture from local file. Then suppose I am creating here images. So this is the orange. Just minimize the width, is suppose 150. Then you can picture alignment left, center, right. You can click as per your wish, then press OK. So this file is generated here, and this is the correct answer. You can write the another image, you can insert here, insert picture from local file. I am taking Apple. In this way you can use the images also. It is very useful for the especially botany, zoo, that is biological student also, or in another different quizzes. When you want to images, then you can also add the image in this particular file. So this is the correct answer. So in this way you can also edit the quiz in later also. After then when you edit it again, once again save, and it is saved in the that particular folder where we already save the uh, quiz. Now after that, after saving, it is next step is very important, how to publish as a web page or HTML based quiz. So this is the option where you can click, just click it and publish your data or download it in your web browser. So this is the portion. Kindly remember this. This is very important step. This is the saving option, and this is the publishing. So here export to create the hot potatoes version. So this is the export to create a hot potatoes version 7 web page. Just click here. Then just give the name quiz suppose 3 and save. Then view the exercise in my browser. So it open in the browser and already saves as a. So this is the quiz in HTML form. So this is look like in this format. Who is the president of USA? So you just click here, so you can know the different questions here. Short type, different 5, 6, 7, and yes, orange, apple, etc. So this is the different quizzes. You can show all questions. Click here, so there is a already question of now. Who is the president of USA? Suppose correct answer is, I consider it is Henry Clinton. It should sorry, try again. Then there is a one more chance is, suppose I clear, it shows your score is 66%. Then go the next question. The king of animal is suppose lion. Then it is shows the correct question completed so far 2.7. So in this way, who is the president of India? Suppose I am writing here Ramnath Kovind. check. Your answer is partly wrong. Ramnath Kovind is the correct answer. So there is no okay. Then you can create show answer. Click the show answer. It gives the correct answer. Okay, wrongly. It is show answer. Ramnath Kovind. So this is the correct answer. Then the capital of, actually it is Kovind. There is a typing error. Then the capital of India is. So already I answer, it is New Delhi. Then which of the following are the states of India? So I click here Maharashtra, Telangana and Kerala. These are the correct. So just check it. Your score is 50 minutes. Correct answer. The capital Maharashtra. Capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai. It is true. Again it is shows correct answer. Then the color of orange is. To color of here, this is apple, this is orange. So I added here two images. The color of orange is. So this is the A, and therefore correct answer. So in this way, actually I added by mistake two images here. So you just choose the any one type of, because when you select it, it shows the that image here. So I just show here how to add the image. So in this way, the quiz you can easily prepare, and once it is prepared, it is available in the form of web-based quiz. Like suppose this is the quiz 3. So this is saved in this format. So this is the quiz. So it is look like the web based. Now this is your the HTML based quiz prepared by using the JQuiz platform or digital platform. Now once you created this HTML, look at here, this is shows the HTML file. It is a web page. Now the question is arises, suppose you want to publish or send to student for the practice, then just save it in Google Drive, copy paste and share the link to the student. They easily solve them, but you don't get the data of the student because it is a directly open, because there is no need of login, no need of add the mobile name of student. So it is openly available sources. Anyone can go and solve the quiz. Now next important is how to publish this web page as a e-content in open educational resources. So for that you have to go in the different uh, open educational resources websites. There are millions of websites is available. You just search your topic, which repository is useful for you to publish the quiz. So for that you have to prepare near about 50 question, or duration is near about 1 hour 45 to 50 or 1 hour, and also that quiz is also need to be unique. You don't copy paste the quizzes from different sources, and suppose you copy paste or you are taking it, kindly give the references or attribution to that, and also try to use the quizzes which is available under CC attribution. That is the you can use, create, reuse and retweet also. So this is the HTML quiz. Now I just go in the desktop version. Now there are different types of resources is available in the platform. Just I go in this particular list. Suppose you type the list of resources. So different resources is available like this. These are the OER by subject. You can see that these are the OER by subject, OER guide by subject, discipline specific OER. So there are a lot of millions website is available. Complete courses is mentioned. Open access books is available. You can share these books to the student also. Open textbook library, BC Open. These are the different types of the open educational. Open Utaha, open to study, open course library, open courseware. So these are the, I am taking this is from PIT LIB guides. So these are the various. So you just search, type in the Google platform open educational resources for quizzes. So you get the different repositories and select that and upload your e-quiz. Now I just today I am just selecting the three version. That is the first is the internal archive. This is the open educational resource repository. www.archive.org. So here this is the web page. So when you open the website, you have to first sign in that particular website. Just clicking here, because I am already signed in, therefore it is directly showing. So just put your name, email ID and sign. Then there is a verification is obtained on email. Just click on that verification and your account is activated immediately. So this is the internet archive. This is the open educational resources that is for the e-development. So you just go, you want to suppose upload the web page, books, videos, audio, software, images. So these are the different options is available, because we are want to publish our quiz in e-platform, and therefore click here, because I am already login, and therefore my detail, my name, my email, my qualification, etc. already is inserted here during the login process. Then click here upload, and after uploading they show the upload files. Click here, drag and drop the files, choose the file to upload, and when you click here, the next option where I am save here hot potatoes, this is the quiz 3. Just click here, open and upload it. After uploading, because I am because this is the very simple practice quiz, and therefore I am not uploading here, but you can just click here, open and upload. After uploading, the website particular open educational resource repository, they review the process, and if they find suitable, then he will publish it, and you get the email notification. And when it publish, you can share that link to the student directly. They click there and solve the questions. And one important thing is, you can use this as a development of e-content in your API score, because there are one or two points are mentioned for the development of e-content. If you want to use that, so you can show the link of that particular quiz, and you can get the benefits for the development of the e-content or e-quiz. So similar way you can apply your notes, your recorded video in different available public domain. So there are different types of OCR is available. Kindly check it in Google, because million or websites are OER repositories available, and for particular if you are person of political science or botany or zoo or mathematical, you search and upload these quizzes. In this way you can publish your data and share the link to the student and others, and use as a for promotion purposes, also a e-content development purposes. So this is the demonstration of the quiz. So in this way you can use, this is the platform, one of the platform. Then another is the MER lot. So this is different another platform. This is OER. This is the OER. That is the open educational resources. Here again I am already login. So just get here, go here, login and upload our services, and here there is option add OER, open education resources, open author. So if you click here, so there is a need of the, they ask the some details, add title, image. So details ask here, so upload the file, etc. So you follow the steps and just go. And suppose you want to directly share the link, submit from web, so you can, because already you are developed the web page, to just add the link. File size should be 10 MB. Add the web link from directly, because this is the web link. This is, to just click here. So just click this file, because it's automatically selected, and upload in a here, and just continue. Or you can share through a Google Drive also. Save this file in Google Drive, so you can easily continue. So this is about the publication of the e-quizzes. I hope you will learn from this particular topic on creation of the quizzes and publication in open education resources. Thank you very much.